Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add or remove background color in a fillable PDF from text box using PDF-XChange Editor. And select from option already selected, add this highlight field and see this. All of this background remove below. I'll add background, select field option and drag your mouse and select your field. And with this right button select your mouse cursor, properties dialog box, this right side properties dialog box panel, scroll down and this is fill color option, click here, select any fill color and see this. Also you can add stroke color, also I'll add here. Fill color and see this. Also and select to remove and see this. In this way you can add fill color to fillable text box. Yeah, and finally save this file option, save or save as a fillable PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.